Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I will show you the secret recipe. I am especially making this recipe for the sake of children. If children eat this recipe, they want to eat it more and more. Children don't like to eat vegetables and leafy vegetables. If we prepare food in this special method, they won't refuse to eat it. That's why I have given the title Children Mange More to this recipe. This is very good for the health of cancer patients, TB patients, and for all diseased patients and for all ages of people. This is a protein rich, vitamin rich, and mineral rich food. This is diabetic friendly. It controls our blood pressure, keeps our eye health, bone health, and entire body health. It contains abundant of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. It enhances our immunity levels to struggle with various diseases. Whenever we used to cook our food, we have to keep the overall health of our family. To make this food, this recipe, I am using chopped green chilies, grated carrot, chopped spinach, chopped coriander leaves. I have taken 1 tablespoon full of coriander powder here, half teaspoon full of black pepper powder, half teaspoon full of cumin powder, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon full of red chilli powder, half teaspoon full of turmeric powder, and salt as per your taste. To make this food I am using olive oil. I am using in all of my recipes Figaro olive oil. I used to prepare my recipes with Figaro olive oil. First of all, we have to add green chilies, add turmeric powder, add onions, red chilli powder, coriander leaves, pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, chopped spinach, grated carrot, and salt as per your taste. To make this, I am using a secret ingredient, that is eggs. With eggs I am making this recipe. And the other secret ingredient is our chickpea flour, that is besan flour. Firstly we have to take a dosa pan. For that, on the gas stove, keep the flame in low. Meanwhile we will prepare the recipe. We have to break the eggs and mix them with these ingredients. Add the besan flour into the vessel. Here I have taken 6 eggs. We have to mix them slowly. I have taken a large cup of water. We have to slowly add the water and mix them. We have to maintain this much of consistency. See that there should be no lumps in the batter. Now add some Figaro olive oil to the batter so that it may not stick to the pan. Keep the flame in medium. Pour some oil on the pan. And pour the batter on the pan. Spread the batter on the pan. Like this we have to make omelette. We have to cover the omelette with a lid. In this way, if we make omelette, children won't refuse to eat it. Let us check whether our omelette is ready or not. Now at this stage we have to flip it. See, it looks so yummy. All ages of people wants to eat it. We can eat it every day and make it as our breakfast. Now we have to plate it. I hope all of you would like my recipe. Thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be back with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Goodbye.